Hi everybody, this is our contribution product stellar fields within the Istituto Nazionale di Astrofisica in-kind effort to Rubin and SST science. Basically our contribution is made of two parts. One is more technical and the other one is purely scientific. The technical one is to provide a pipeline to reprocess crowded stellar fields with the all-frame package, and which is a very resource demanding and time consuming, and the pipeline will be made available on GitHub. The catalogs processed through this pipeline will be made available with no proprietary period. And finally, we plan to support the Lumen SST pipeline by providing comparison between our results with the Rubin SST for self-photometry results. The target audience is any group working on both variability and science. On the scientific side, we plan to implement the vast variability suite, and which is devoted to search for variable stars in Ruby Science platform. We plan to provide a machine learning based software tool to characterize stellar clusters and homogeneously derive their key parameters. And also we plan to develop a machine learning based software tool to derive photometric metallicity for FGK stars in footprint. Again, the target audience in both cases is any group working on these topics. Interaction with the community. The main routines of the proposed software are mainly based on already existing and well-tested and well-known software, and a certain amount of effort will be required to adapt the proposed software to the science platform requirements, and at the present time we will not start collecting user stories. We will do very soon. Finally, timeline availability. An embryonic version of our pipeline is already available and has been successfully tested on Lacan bulge data. And here you can see some nice light curve and color magnet diagram. And VAST was used for the fully automatic candidate variable search, and we were able to discover several new variable stars. And very recently, our institute approved a budget for contracts for the needed manpower for this contribution. So we plan to start our interaction with the interested science collaboration very soon. Thank you.